Yo, what's up guys? This is Chris and I'm going to be cooking barbecue pork Filipino style the easiest way possible, which is in an air fryer. So stay tuned. All right, here is my barbecue pork. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. Boom. It's been marinated overnight. Let me break down what's in this beauty. All right guys, here are the ingredients. 1/3 cup soy sauce, 8 cloves minced garlic. And 3 cups of banana ketchup, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 3/4 tablespoon kosher salt, 100 grams of brown sugar, and 1 cup of lemon soda because that's the magic at work with your beef or pork or whatever the meat is. And then also you want to keep a cup of that marinade on the side for later when you're cooking so that you can baste. So let's get to it. All right, I'm gonna put it at 400 for 15 minutes. All right, we're at the halfway mark. Let's go ahead and flip these. They've been flipped. Let's put them back in. Okay guys, I took it out. I'm gonna start basting it a bit now. Basting complete. Here comes 2. Ooh, it's getting brown. Might have to flip it a bit though. Put it a bit longer. All right, I'm gonna baste again. All right, I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes because I want it to char on the other side too. Not bad. All right, here's how it looks, guys. Nice and charred on the edges. They're being cut up right now. Overall, they look like beauties. Let me know in the comments what sides you should go with this. All right, here is one of the pieces. See the nice char on the side? Try it out.
Char.
Oh my god. It's so juicy. Oh my god. So keep in mind, I had a lot of stuff in those, like in the air fryer, so it took a bit longer than I expected. Took about 30 minutes in total, to be honest. So that's why you got the char color. That's why they cooked properly. But other than that, that's it. I'm giving this a 9.5 out of 10. Very good. And yeah, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. I am just an average guy that likes to make Filipino food in his air fryer. Until then, subscribe and peace.